Hey, today we're gonna make a really great crock pot recipe. This one you will absolutely love. Actually, your family is going to love you for making this recipe. It is cube steaks and potatoes all in one crock pot. We're gonna dump it and we're gonna go super easy, budget friendly. Let's get into it. We're gonna start by cutting up our potatoes, 4 to 5 potatoes, and we're just gonna chop them up into bite-sized chunks. Along with that, we're going to add 1 onion. So we're going to peel the onion and slice it up. I kind of like to slice it up where I've got rings and long pieces of onion. And we're going to set that in a bowl and set that aside as well. Now we're going to take our cube steaks. You can make this recipe with, 4 to 6, sometimes 8 cube steaks. We're going to season them first, both sides, with a little bit of salt and pepper. And this definitely is a recipe that reminds me of one that my mom made when I was growing up. We're also going to use that stone ground mustard, and we're going to place that on top of the cube steaks, and we're going to rub it in with the seasoning right there with our fingers and give each one of it kind of a nice good rub in there. We're also going to flip this over. We're going to do the same seasoning on the other side. So we're going to give them a quick flip. So I'm working with 4 cube steaks today, but you can put 6 to 8 in the crock pot, depending on how many people you need to feed. So here we go with the salt and the pepper again on side 2, along with the stone ground mustard. Now that stone ground mustard is key to this recipe. It really elevates the flavor. So we're going to take our crock pot. I'm going to place mine on high today because I have about 3 to 4 hours to cook this meal. But you also can put this crock pot on in the morning on low and let it go 6 to 8 hours. So we're going to place all of our potatoes in the bottom of the crock pot. Right behind that, we are going to place a full can of French onion soup. You can do the store brand, or I've got Campbell's there. I'm going to make sure that that's poured all over those potatoes there. And then we're going to come in with a couple teaspoons of minced garlic. And after I place this in the crock pot, I'm going to take a spoon and I'm just going to mix all of those ingredients together the best I can, just to kind of make sure that it's all kind of combined and mixed up. Next, we're going to bring our cube steaks over. And we're just going to kind of layer them into the crock pot. You can overlap them. That's perfectly fine as well. So like I said, if you have 6 to 8 cube steaks, you definitely are going to overlap them. And you're going to lay them on top of the potato mixture there. Right on top of that cut up onion we are going to place on top of the cube steaks. Like I said, this is a super easy recipe. Good old comfort food. Now you just need a packet of Lipton or onion soup mix, the dry soup mix. Mine happens to be flavored with mushrooms, but you can use the original. You're going to sprinkle that dry packet right over top of the onions. And then after that, we're going to take some Worcestershire sauce. And I'd say about 1/4 cup, but I just kind of dump it from the bottle right on top of all of the ingredients. But I would measure out at least a good 1/4 cup for this recipe to pour on top. This is a classic comfort food that never goes out of style, this recipe. I am going to take some black pepper and give it a couple final moments of seasoning here before I put the top on, and I'll add a little bit of salt as well. Go a little easy on the salt because the soup and the soup mix is also loaded up with sodium, so you can go a little light on that salt. I'm going to put the top on and I'm going to let it cook on high for 3 to 4 hours. All right, friends, our crock pot cube steak and potato dinner meal is done. So let's take a look. We're going to open up the crock pot and peek inside here. Look at that. Oh my goodness, it smells so good in here. I'm going to bring out one of the cube steaks there. Got all this nice gravy down here, these potatoes all the way cooked through. The aroma is delicious. Now this is a recipe that you can play around with too. You could add carrots, you could add some vegetables to this, some corn, and really make this meal customized however you would like it. You can see all the onions have all caramelized and cooked there. It smells so delicious. All right, let's take a bite out of this cube steak and potato crock-pot meal. The flavor, the stone ground mustard sets this whole dish right up. It is absolutely delicious. Now, like I said, I'd probably add some carrots, some peas, some vegetables if you want to. But this is a nice, beautiful beef blend. The potatoes are delicious. The onion, the Lipton onion soup, makes everything so tender and gives it just an upbeat tick of flavor. It is delicious. Hey, listen, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.